Here we are, Gateway Classic Cars car show on the 29th of April. Checking out all the cars.
John with this new ride, got the Cruising Orlando sticker on the back window. Look at that. I do have more stickers if you want a Cruising Orlando sticker. They are free. Come and see me.
How you doing, youngster? Good. Finally started working on your motor. Yeah. I'm recapping all.
Here's a 1982 Collector's Edition. Prowler.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
Yeah, Gateway Classic Cars. Ian Coffee, welcome.
60 Cadillac.
So, like, if after a year I decide that I don't like, no structure. Like, no, but what I'm saying is, if right, if for some reason I have it, I still
Yo, Russ over there. How long has it been, Russ? Now we're trying to scram away at Russ, but this is thank you, Russ, for your
Nice.
commitment for over 10 years.
Hello, Corvette.
Taking pictures for us. Hopefully we can do another 20 years together.
Hi there.
Oh.
It's a C5 rebodied to look like a late 50s Corvette.
Next weekend, we're doing some hot rods. Memorial Day weekend, Lake Helen on Memorial Day. So 2 big shows Memorial Day weekend. A lot of people asking about Horsepower Ranch. We did book Halloween. That's the next big car show out.
And back to my car. Here we are again. Some more cars. Classic. Gateway Classic cars. Viper. Another Viper. Rolls Vista Cruiser. Mustangs. Oh, here's a beauty. Look at that 66 Mustang GT. No, it's not a GT, it just looks like one. Mach 1. Thunderbird. Camaro. Here are the row of Corvettes at Gateway Classic Cars. Nice collection. Even have 1978 25th anniversary. We have a magnificent 58 Corvette. Beautiful.